I originally bought the 8 or 10 milliliter size, and the only thing that was disappointing to me about this was that it turned out to be a rollerball scent instead of a spray. But I did go online and immediately purchase not one, but 2 large bottles. And this is the first time I've deliberately purchased a backup of any scent. When I bought the rollerball, the biggest bottles were sold out, and as a fast fashion brand that is Zara, I don't trust that the fragrance will be available for long. And Zara is ultra affordable, so I readily brought out my credit card and purchased a few other smellies. Here are the notes in Red Temptation. The first difference is that the carrier for the whole fragrances appears to be an equal volume of rubbing alcohol. So not only is the formula weaker than BR540, but it's also very top heavy with abrasive metallic alcohol. And it does calm down after you spray, but do sniff this not immediately after applying. I also detect a very faint salty marine note in here. And yeah, it lacks anything remotely close to the performance that Baccarat Rouge 540 possesses. But you know, if you think of this as simply a less sophisticated body mist version as opposed to a perfume, I don't think you'll be disappointed considering how much it costs. The alcohol opening in here is not great. The performance is not great, but it's definitely better than the average Zara fragrances I've tried over the years. And there are similarities to BR540, a lot of them. And oh my God, the price, guys. I mean, you really, just bring it around, decant it and spray it all day. It'll make you happy if you like BR540.